What's up, cooks? It's Wednesday. I was surfing around on Facebook Marketplace, as I usually do, and I came across something that just sparked my attention. This is the All-Clad Portable Induction Burner. I remember when this thing came out, and I saw one of these on sale, right? So you know I had to get it. I have a little bit of beef, possibly. We're going to see what the condition of this is. I'm a little leery about how the seller described it. Also, we have our first harvest from Farmer Ebu's garden. It's Wednesday. Welcome to the Amy Learns to Cook kitchen. So Eric's garden is starting to produce some vegetables. There you go. Boom, look at that. We have a strange growing season. Our growing season doesn't really start. You shouldn't really put anything in the ground until after Mother's Day. So I'm so used to California where, February you're starting. But out here, we don't have that quite the same growing season as we do, that we're used to. So this is our first chance to get some vegetables out of the garden. I'm glad, because I was a little worried that we spent thousands of dollars for one tomato. We have some cucumbers, which is kind of weird because I don't think we planted cucumbers.
Well, it was going to be either yellow squash or zucchinis, right?
Yeah, but
so it was mislabeled. Yeah, it was not.
These are prickly cucumbers.
Cucumbers.
We have a really big zucchini.
Yeah.
That sort of got left on there a little too long.
I got busy. I left it on there.
We have some bell peppers coming through. Yay! And a couple tomatoes.
Well,
little cherries.
We got a lot that are green. They will turn over. And then, of course, look at the Anaheims, too.
Oh, we got some Anaheims. Anaheim is my favorite pepper. Sometimes they can be a little hot.
Yeah, it has a little heat to it.
Yeah.
But it's very flavorful.
We've had some years that was pretty hot.
Mm-hmm.
So, Farmer Ebu's kicking in.
Yeah.
Yay, Bill.
It survived 100-degree heat.
So far.
Yeah.
So this is the All-Clad Portable Induction Burner. And this came out a few years ago, and they've since discontinued it. It was outrageously expensive, All-Clad. It literally had an MSRP of about $800, and I think it typically sold around the $600 price range. This has an original price tag on it that says $5.99 was the original price. I paid $60 for it. So one of the issues I've had with Facebook Marketplace, and I've bought a bunch of things on there, or some things on there. And one of the things is, when you list something on Facebook Marketplace, you have to list its condition. New, like new, right? There are categories. The issue I have is new means new, right? New has never been used. And I think some people confuse new with like new, because I have seen stuff on there and I've bought stuff that they put it back in the box and they describe it as new. Something is not new if you ever used it. So they think, oh, I only used it 2 or 3 times. It's new. No, it's not new. New is new. Like new is used only a few times in the original, and it's in the original condition. But new is brand new. I think some sellers list some things as new. So when you're going on there and you're buying some stuff off of Facebook Marketplace, you have to be really careful, because a lot of sellers, new is not new. New is just barely used. But barely used is used, right? It's not new. So this was listed as new. So we're going to see what that is, because I opened the box and all the interior packaging is not in there. So new doesn't necessarily mean the original box, the original packaging. But when I opened it, I saw something in there and I was like, this is not quite new. So I know I got a good deal on this, but you know, at least describe it correctly, because I need to be able to judge as the buyer if I want something, particularly when it comes to cooking stuff, because there's a lot of things I just won't use. I won't buy used.
Well, you're a germaphobe.
I'm a germaphobe, and I don't want my
You don't want stuck
food stuck on somebody else's stuff. Dude.
Do you want to make that thing? Oh, you're pulling it by the cord?
Yeah, it's not now. It's not beat up.
For $800, it could be wrapped in something.
Well, it's not. I can see swatch marks where they wiped it off. So it's not new.
Well, it's
New.
look at the fingerprints all over too. All-Clad is not going to sell you something.
Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see this.
You can't do it, but if you hold it like right there, it's actually good because you
Fingerprints, as if they took it out of the box, will be.
No, but
I see the top has.
No, there's no plastic. If it's selling for $500, $800, it's going to have clear plastic that you rip
They
off.
may have plugged it in, but there's.
No, it smears pretty good. And that's your styrofoam. No,
It just feels. It doesn't feel clean.
So it would have to be, like you said, like new. If there's no damage to it, you can probably say like new, but.
So it's obviously been handled, but I don't know. You guys probably can't see it on here. On here, there's a lot of swirl marks and wipe marks. So somebody used this.
There's no clear plastic to keep the fingerprints off the shiny stuff. All-Clad.
It feels like right here.
It's greasy.
It's greasy.
It's greasy.
This is not new.
All-Clad is beautiful. It's shiny, it's polished, and this is fingerprinted up.
So this is not new. I got a great price on it, but we're going to have to sanitize this down. I want to put a pan on here and see if it works. So let me get a whole lot of Clorox wipes and scrub brushes, and let me clean this baby, and we'll put a pan on it and see if I got a good deal. Okay, so you might hear something different changed about my audio. Induction burners interfere with wireless microphones, and I use a Sennheiser wireless microphone system. So anytime I'm using induction burner, I have to go wired. So if you notice a change in the sound, that's the reason. So I got an induction friendly pan here. So class, can anybody tell me what is an induction burner? I think he's asleep over there. So basically an induction burner uses electromagnetic energy. And you will find that an induction burner, the actual burner itself doesn't get hot. I had this on and it's only slightly warm. What it does is it takes a magnet into a pan that has a magnetic bottom. So there's only certain cookware that you can use on it. And it puts that energy into the pan instead of into the burner. So it does have coils in there, but those coils are using electromagnetic. And so the pan will heat up, but the cooker will only kind of get warm. So here's the menu, and it's kind of a little bit weird. You turn it on and it gives you some modes. Melt, and then you use this. Warm, slow low, slow high, boil, fry, sear. Each one, we're obviously going to use fry. Each one, if you hit mode, you can change the power level up and down using the knob. Okay, so let's cook something. I'm going to go on. It doesn't have a saute, which is kind of weird. Seems like it would say, I guess I'm just using fry. Level. We're going to cook an egg, so I'm going to keep it down low. 2. We're going to go ahead and put some oil in here. In juicy pan. Okay, we're going to crack a couple eggs in here. Oh no, I cracked it on the side. Call the police, Eric. Looks like it's cooking. Maybe I'll turn it up. Is it even? That'll be a question for, is the pan even? Is the burner even? It'll beep if you take the pan off. Kind of interesting that I'm not getting as much heat on this side.
How big is your disc on the bottom?
It's bigger than this pan. Is it the pan that's causing that?
The disc on the pan itself.
Oh no. My pan is kind of sticking. Drew Barrymore. Drew, your pan is sticking a little bit. Drew, your pan is sticking.
In all fairness, how many Drews have you bought?
Look at that, it's sticking.
How many have you bought, Bobo?
I have 2 of these.
And how many pair of Hiltons have you bought?
3.
So hers is newer.
Ceramic.
They're ceramic, they don't last long.
Yeah. Ew, put some pepper on there. These are pretty sad looking eggs. So it does seem like I got a working all-clad induction burner for $60. Bad egg cooking.
And you got the fingerprints off, so it looks pretty.
Yeah, but I had to clean it. So the lesson to that is, if you're selling stuff on Marketplace, just be like upfront. If it's like new, have it like new. But if you've used it, it's not new, right? Got a couple eggs coming on here. Poorly cooked, but cooked nonetheless. Drew. I just got a couple new all-clad ceramics, but it's hard anodized, so I can't use it on here. So that's a drawback of induction, is you can't use all pan types. So if you have hard anodized, you have something that's aluminum, it's not going to work on here because it has to be magnetic to conduct that energy.
So the workaround is you get those discs that we did when we used to do chili contest, where it's cast iron or something. The induction will work on that, and then that heats your burner.
Maybe. That's kind of a hassle.
It's a hassle. How big is the burner on this thing?
I don't know. It's bigger than the pan.
Okay.
Maybe 11 inches.
Okay. Smells like eggs in here.
Sounds like and smells like some eggs. So I do have some eggs cooked on my $60 pan here. And I did over medium just perfect. They look a little messed up because Drew's pan sort of stuck. Tasty. All I need to do is put these on a piece of toast and we have breakfast. So the All-Clad Induction Burner is in the house. It's interesting technology. If you see me cook with this, I will be on a wired mic, so the sound won't be quite as good as my Sennheiser, but hey, I like it. The All-Clad, originally $800, I paid $60. So you can get deals mixers, all kinds of fun stuff. I'm just a germaphobe, and I won't really buy anything that the food directly touches. So I wouldn't buy any cookware. I wouldn't buy anything like that. That's just a personal issue that I have. But for this kind of thing, fantastic. Something you can completely sanitize, fantastic. Someone's old toaster, I wouldn't buy that, right?
No, sir.
I hope you have a nice Wednesday. What's up? It's Wednesday. I hope you survive all that heat and the heat we're going to go through this week. And I hope you had a really nice 4th of July. Thanks for joining me. The All-Clad Induction Burner, $60.